So the tech tool that we are learning about today, if we are we good? Okay. So Symbaloo, have any of you guys used that in your context already in your classrooms? Blair has been using it, yes. So your experts here are Blair, are your librarian, Miss Graham, and also someone else, Miss G has used it with her kids too. So ask them for some help with Symbaloo if you have some more questions after this. But our goal today is to do a quick crash course in Symbaloo and create your accounts. So it's a bookmarking site. You could see we used that for our documents because we were having problems with everyone typing in the wrong document. So we created a Symbaloo so that we clicked on the school name and then went to our document for our quick write during reading. So what we're going to do first is create an account. So it sounds like no one here has an account yet, right? So on this slide, you'll see the blue button in the top right-hand corner that says Create New Account. Okay. And I like using my school email for these kinds of things. Scroll up. Right there. Create free account. You might need to scroll up to see it. Yeah, if you put that over, right there. Yep. Good. I did. I unclicked the updates, but you do have to accept the terms beneath it. Right. So I usually just put my school email in there to keep it all straight and not link it to Facebook or Google. Okay, so slide 18. If you want to, yep, one more over. Perfect.
Okay.
And then if you push that to the side, awesome, create a free account, and then you'll be caught up. Yeah, they've phrased that very subversively. Yes. Mm-hmm. So once you've created your account, it will send an email to the email you signed up with to confirm it. So please go check that email address. There'll be a link in there. You'll click that, and it'll send you right back out to Symbaloo, and you'll be done. Mm-hmm. You would just have one link to follow. You could push it out through It's Learning, or you could have it bookmarked on computers, or teach the kids. Exactly. Mm-hmm. That's a good idea. All right, so if you are completely in, you will see just the Symbaloo page. You won't see that blue thing at the top that says an email has been sent. If you see that, you need to still check your email. So if you can check each other's screens and make sure we're all good.
I don't even have. Oh, there it is.
Right there. So click that, and that's it. You'll be good to go after that. Okay? All right. Are we ready to learn how to use it? Perfect. So it will come with, you'll see some tabs at the top. You'll see online and resources. Everyone's Symbaloo starts with those two things. They just pre-populated it with some things that they think you might be using. We're going to create our own today. So if you see that little plus icon on the tab next to it, click that, and you'll see a box pop up for a new Symbaloo space. So just think of something maybe that you're teaching with your class if you want to do some research with them, or if you want them to have math practice or something like that. Mine that I created today is just called Pumpkins because it's fall, so why not? So we're going to be doing some research on pumpkins. If you want to use my idea, you're welcome to, or apply it to your own context. What could you be collecting? If you want to do math resources, or if you want to research something else. Just go ahead and write there and put, you can put the name of the thing you're going to be researching.
So my name doesn't go to
No.
Okay.
Or you could put Miss Summers' class.
Okay, and then add.
Yes, and then add. Very good. Yay! And then you do add, yep. And then you'll see a page that looks kind of like this. That's good. So the images in the background will change automatically. Mine just turned to snow, so now I have the snow. You're not doing anything, so when it changes, don't panic. It just automatically rotates. Do you see those little ghost tiles, the kind of clear-looking things? If you hover over it, you'll notice that you get the option to add a new tile. And if you click on it, you'll see where you can edit that tile. So we're going to click on the little arrow that says Create a Tile. And then we need to think of the resource that we want to have. So if I'm doing research on pumpkins, I'm going to just hop out on the internet and I'm going to search pumpkin info for kids. And a link has popped up when I've done that. Do you guys know how to create a new tab in your web browser so you don't lose where you are? Okay, so I just created a new tab.
Probably, but right now, no.
If you click your little plus sign right there.
Okay.
My favorite trick. I'm a tab junkie. If you have right up here, it'll be a new tab. And it'll go to the website. You can Google search it. Yes, go ahead and search what you want to put in there. Yeah, good question. So I found.
Okay. So I found something. What do you do?
Good question. So I found this food facts for kids, and of course before I would bookmark anything, I'd actually look through it and make sure that it was okay for kids to be looking at. For our context today, we'll just kind of assume that it is. When I've decided that I want it, I'm just going to copy the whole web address up here, which I like to do with Control-C. It's a little shortcut. You can right-click as well and copy it over. And then come back to your Symbaloo. And we're going to paste it in at this first spot here. Yes, you can upload an image. Sometimes it's really cool. If you search something that it knows, like the Food Network or Reflex Math, it'll pop up with an image. If it's a lesser known site, it won't, but you can choose an icon.
Okay.
All right, so copy that. Do you like to right click? There you go. And come back over to your Symbaloo. And then right here.
It did. See?
Are you clicking straight on it? Click one more time.
Yeah. Let's do it.
There you go.
There, okay.
Yep. And if you click that right there, the create a title right there, yeah. And then you're going to paste it right down there. Yes. So you also have options to change the colors and personalize it in other ways. So you can talk about all different kinds of ways. When we talked about the experts here at school that can help you out with this more.
Just click on it.
And then you're going to come up and copy the address. And then when you're done, you'll have to scroll down and click Save to make that new tile. Good. And so then come up with a title right there. If you click on the tile again, I think there'll be a way to edit it and to add it at the bottom. So if you click on the, you're talking about one you've already made? Yeah, so you can click back on it and edit that. You're welcome. So you can use this to organize resources like maybe math games you want your kids to play. You can use it to organize resources for researching and inquiry projects, which go with our new inquiry standards. There's lots of different ways you can use it. And you can also share with each other as a grade level if you get together. Yeah. So you can't edit each other's. You hit the share. You got it. The very top right up here.
So my independent reading, you're going to move to